Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality backlink. Mainly this is a .org website. You guys have to see this is a .org website, and this website having a high quality authority, and this website can provide you a do follow with contextual backlink with your targeted keyword backlinks. So you guys have to create your backlink on that website, and you guys have to follow the process how you guys will create your backlink on that website, because on that website the profile backlink creation process is something difficult. So you guys have to watch and you guys will create your backlink on that website. Okay, so now we can start the research process. So according to Moj, the domain authority is 83 and the spam score is only 4%, and according to Acharya the domain rating is 80, and according to similar web this website having 86.4k total visitors. This is a monthly traffic, and you guys will see this website getting traffic from USA, UK, Sweden, Canada, India. So if you want to increase crawlability, traffic, audience, brand awareness, so must you guys have to create your backlink on that website. So now we have completed our research process, and the simple request I wanted to from your side, if you guys are new on this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. I hope if you guys can if you want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay yeah, so this is a website dashboard, and I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily, and you guys can see there is a sign in button. You guys have to click over there, and after that you guys have to fill your email ID, and there is a create an account button. You guys have to click over there. In this section you guys have to choose your name, because if you guys can consider this is firstly you guys have to create your profile on that website, and after that you guys have to create your business profile on that website. Business profile not, but your company profile. Okay, so now firstly we can using a person name Alex J, and after that you guys have to choose your passwords, and then after that you guys have to update your banner image. Once you guys can complete these things, then after that you guys have to click for the register account button, and you guys will see this is your profile dashboard. So you guys have to go with your view profile section, and there is option you guys have to see, but you guys have to ignore these things. We can go with you guys have to hover for woman section, and the second circle section there is a manage your circle option. You guys will see, you guys have to click over there, and after that you guys will see there is a lead circle. So there you guys have to click, and that section you guys have to choose your country name. So our company are providing services in Canada, so I can go with a Canada option. So there is a Canada. After that you guys have to click for the next button, and you guys will found a total 4 options. So you guys have to choose a my network or friends, and after that you guys have to click for the next button. In this section you guys can choose your company name. Okay, then after that you guys have to click for the start the conversation, start the circle creation, sorry. Okay, so now our circle has been created, and you guys will see, and once your circle will created, then after that you guys will see bottom of the section see your dashboard. You guys have to click for the explore button, and once you guys see create open okay, then see you guys will found edit circle profile. So you guys have to click over there. Then you guys can go with update your description option. So there you guys can add your company description. Okay, so I'm just copying the description through my website, but in your case you guys have to generate fresh description, because I don't have much more time, so that's why I'm doing these things. So simply I can copy the content short description, I can go with there and can paste it. And once and the one thing you guys have to do, you guys have to select your keyword. There you guys can add your HTML hyperlink. If you guys are haven't idea how you guys can generate a HTML hyperlink, so simply you guys can type on Google search box HTML hyperlink, and simply you guys can open your first website, first result w3school.com, and this is your hyperlink HTML attribute. So in the URL section you guys have to add your URL, and the link text section you guys have to add your targeted keyword. So I'm going to optimize these things. So there A H R E F, then after that you guys have to okay, then double inverted comma, there you guys can add your website URL, and after that you guys have to close this tag, and in this section there you guys can. So now we have created, and then after that you guys have to click for the update description. So your description was updated, so simply you guys can go with your view profile option, and you guys will see this is your backlink. And I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink with your targeted keyword, targeted contextual keyword backlink. So these things can impact to increase your keyword ranking. Okay, and this is 100% approved backlink. So now we can also open in an incognito tab, so you guys will see it's approved backlink, and this is your backlink. Okay, so this is the process of the backlink creation on that website. So the website name is lenin.org, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section. And now, okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally to share any kind of thoughts, suggestions, anything, whatever you want, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe, like button. These things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand, and you guys can do something from your side, whatever you want, and the things. And the last, I wanted to request you with one thing. If you guys can want to create a community, so where we can communicate to each other directly, what's new things are going on the digital marketing career, are the SEO, are the new advanced things. And also now these days I'm hearing one thing, the programmatic advertisement. So if anyone know, if anyone haven't idea, if anyone have idea about the programmatic advertisement, programmatic SEO, so now you guys have to share your thoughts with the description section, the comment section, comment section. And after that we can collaborate the knowledge, then we can create a very final and a very qualitative video, so that could be going to increase our knowledge and understanding about the programmatic advertisement, programmatic SEO. So if you guys can want, then you guys have to share your thoughts and on the comment section, then we can create community or the Telegram community. And also we can start on Sunday a live interaction. So if you guys wanted to do these things, so then you guys have to share your thoughts. Okay, yeah, so bye bye and take care.